So this is what I got out of my garden. Isn't this nice? This is one tomato, this is okra, this is habanero, different types of pepper. We got other types of pepper out there. Oh, and then look at this okra. Look at this okra. Ha ha ha. I am speechless. This year is bountiful. The harvest is ripe. Yes, I am loving this. We got good produce this year. Hi people, follow up for more. We're gonna get more from the garden. The garden is huge this year. A lot. So I'm gonna be washing up the tomatoes, boiling them, and then blend them and freeze it. Yep.